Hello, Chicago investors, business owners. Today we're diving into the exciting world of emerging commercial real estate markets in the Windy City. Chicago is a city of neighborhoods, each with its own unique charm and potential. Let's explore some up and coming areas that are attracting significant growth and investments all over the city. Hello, my name is Hugo and I'm with Coldwell Banker. I am also with Paul Perano Commercial Properties Group. You are in good hands. First on our list is the West. Once an industrial area, it's now a vibrant hub for tech companies, trendy restaurants, and new residential developments. With its proximity to downtown and booming food scene, and the West Loop is a hotspot for both commercial and residential investments. Just north of the West Loop is Fulton Market. This former meatpacking district has transformed into a lively business district with a lot of office spaces, boutique hotels, high-end dining, and big names like Google have set up there, signing a bright future for the area. Next, let's head to the South Loop, known for its historical, architectural, and cultural attractions. The South Loop is seeing new developments, including luxury condos, retail spaces, and entertainment venues. It's becoming a prime spot for those looking to invest in a mixed-use neighborhood. Finally, Bronzeville. This historical neighborhood is experienced with a renaissance with new commercial projects and residential developments. It's a culturally rich area with a deep history, now attracting new businesses and young professionals. Chicago's commercial real estate market is thriving, with opportunities around every corner. Whether you're looking to invest in a startup hub or revitalize historic district, these neighborhoods offers great potential. Thanks for joining us around our tour, commercial real estate markets in Chicago. See you next time. But for all of your commercial needs, please give me a call. We can help you establish your new venture business. Call me at 773-550-4846.